से एक सवाल जानना चाहूँगा। जैसे सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि हर एक सक्सेसफुल मर्द के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है, और जो भी आपके लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं, मान्यता जी ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उन चीज़ों को फेस किया। और ये जो पूरी जर्नी रही आपके लाइफ की, या फिर ये जो आपके कमबैक आप बोल सकते हो, तो इस बीच में उनका क्या रोल रहा या उनका क्या किरदार रहा? और इस फिल्म में जब आप कर रहे थे तो क्या उनसे कुछ एडवाइस लिया था या समथिंग कुछ इस तरह से?
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि मान्यता जी ने हर पल हर लम्हा मेरा साथ दिया है और हमेशा देंगी। और एक दो ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे दी हैं जहाँ जो कोई दे नहीं सकता, इकरा और शाहरान। और इनसे बिल्कुल एक चीज़ सीखने में मिली है, वो गुस्सा। तो वो मैंने पोर्ट्रे किया है भूमि में, शरद के ऊपर वो भी।
Sanju sir, this is your first film after your release. Has your time, away changed your working style in any manner?
I didn't get that. What was that?
So this is your first film after your release. So has your time away from the screen, the time you spent in jail, has it changed your working style in any manner?
I think my working style is the same. I mean, I don't hear a script. I don't watch the monitor. I don't look at the lighting. I don't look at the other artist, what he does. So, I mean, there's nothing changed. It's the same.
Sanju sir, also in this film there's this theme of Save the Daughter, which has echoes of perhaps Beti Bachao. Do you think so? The government slogan Beti Bachao.
Yeah, what about that?
So the film's theme is also Save the Daughter, and this is a topic that everybody is talking about
I mean,
today.
you can say it says Save the Daughter, but it's more a film about a relationship between a father and a daughter. And definitely I believe in Save the Daughter also.
Sanjay, when you heard the first time that the biopic will be made, were you a bit skeptical? Were you a bit worried or nervous? And also, there were some reports that Ranbir was trying to meet him and meet you to do his research, but it was difficult to get in touch. Ranbir,
It'll
did you
take
face it?
Ranbir 50 years to do research on me first. So, I mean, he's been a very, very special part of my life. Not because of the biopic, but just because of him growing up, and it's his family's relation with my family and stuff like that. And if I was, scared?
Were you a bit skeptical at what will be shown in the biopic, how it
I
will
was
be?
not skeptical at all because Raju, me, and Abhijat sat for many, many hours, and I laid the cards right out in front of them. I've got nothing to hide, and I have never had nothing to hide. So that is it.
ओके संजू सर, एक फिल्म की पूरी जबान होती है डायलॉग राइटिंग। तो राज शांडिल जी के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जिन्होंने इस फिल्म का स्क्रीन प्ले और डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं? किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या बॉन्डिंग शेयर करते हैं आप?
Actually, Raj कॉमेडी सीरियल्स लिखता था, और जब उसने ये पिक्चर लिखी, आई वाज अमेज्ड एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड कि इतना टैलेंट इस लड़के में है। लेकिन कभी कभी बहक जाता है, लेकिन अभी क्या करें यार, वो होता है।
Sanjay sir, just near towards your left, so here. Sanjay sir, there were reports that apparently Ranbir and Anurag Basu had approached you for Jagga Jasoos, and the role was eventually played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How true were these?
I think Ranveer should answer this.
I think every role that's written in the Hindi film industry first goes to him only. It passes through him, then it filters down. Of course, it was my first production, and it was a special appearance, and we wanted to carry it in the second part. And Basu Dada and myself thought there was nobody better than Sanju sir, but Sanju sir very gladly, on the first time he heard it, he said, "Yeah, I'll do it." But there was some issue with the release of his first film and other stuff, but not this. Maybe the next one.
Of course, anything for you.
Sanjay sir, have you seen the movie though? I mean, Jagga Jasoos.
I beg your pardon?
Have you
I
seen the
haven't
film?
seen it yet. I haven't seen it. But I mean, I know it's a good. I saw the trailer. I loved it. But I'm going to see the film, and if I feel something is wrong, he knows what he's going to get.
Baba, here towards your left.
I hope nothing is shown, but that depends on Raju here.
Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer is amazing. Towards your left here. Left. Here. Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer is good. But do you think if you had come back with the Munna Bhai series, the comeback would have been perhaps, you know, a bigger comeback for you? Like everyone is waiting for that movie. And do you think that comeback would have been a bigger one?
I think instead of asking me, there's my brothers out here and my another brother out there and the third brother sitting behind you.
ऐसा करिए, मुड़ के वो पीछे वो जो बैठा है ना चुप से लड़का, उसको ये सवाल पूछिए. वो अभी भी लिख रहा है. 3 साल से अभी हम लिख रहे हैं. हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. तो ये बैठा बैठा बोर हो रहा था. अभी कितना उसको 1-1.5 साल और बिठाते हैं. हमने बोला भैया हम लिख रहे हैं. जब पूछता है हो रहा है सर, हाँ हो रहा है सर. डायलॉग लिख रहे हैं, हाँ लिख रहे हैं. वो खामोश मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी, उसमें डायलॉग राइटर को हमेशा पूछता था क्या हो रहा है जी. कहता लिख रहा हूँ सर, लिख रहा हूँ. वो है पीछे बैठा हो. उसको पूछो, जिस दिन लिखेगा उस दिन नेक्स्ट डे शुरू हो जाएगी.
ओके, मेरा सवाल अदिति से है. अदिति, ट्रेलर इज लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक और अब अगर हम ट्रेलर को देखें तो बहुत इमोशन इंटेंस किरदार में नजर आ रही हैं आप. संजय जैसी शख्सियत के साथ इतने दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, उनके साथ काम करना कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए? पहला सवाल. दूसरा सवाल, कहीं इस बात का डर था, संजय सर की वापसी थी, उनकी कमबैक फिल्म थी, कहीं ओवरशैडो ना आ जाए, इस बात का भी डर था?
I think हम सब we all live for challenges. I think that makes us better, and that always makes us work harder. And I think everybody who is an artist and wants to perform and wants to is there for that reason and loves cinema, wants to be challenged and wants to be pushed. And I always feel a great actor in front of you makes you look better. And usually in a good film and with amazing actors, they tend to be very generous people as well. तो वो आपका काम और अच्छा, actually वो आपका काम
आसान कर देते
आसान कर देते हैं. They make it more beautiful. वो निखारते हैं आपको. And I think Sanju sir was also the same. The first day I think I was a little nervous, and I'm usually not nervous, but I was a little nervous because I didn't know Sanju sir at all. But he gave me a big hug and he said, "You're scared of me? You're scared of me?" So that immediately sort of broke the ice, and it was, I think when the first shot was okay, like Sanju sir said, it was because it was our scene together. And the first shot was okay and we both breathed. Then I saw him doing the same and I was like, oh, okay, we're fine. So it was, I think that's what it is. It's an amazing actor makes you better. And a lot of the times I was bouncing off what he was doing. He was acting and I was reacting to him. So and every time he would do something different. So it's always fun. It keeps you on your toes and it makes it very natural. Sanju sir also doesn't like to rehearse, so that's great fun.
Hi, Ranbir, towards your left. Ranbir, hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. Ranbir, even though you're not answerable for what your father says about your films or about people involved in your films, but objectively speaking, do you think that blaming the producer or blaming the director or music composer is right, is fair after a film flops?
Well, you see, my father is a very emotional man. I think whatever he said was to protect me in some way in his, where he was coming from. I don't necessarily agree with, that he did that or that what he said. Like I said, Jagga Jasoos is something that we worked for 3.5 years. We all were aware of what we were doing, how it was being made. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail. But I don't look at it as a failure, I look at it as a learning. I think it's given me a lot. The experience of working with Anurag Basu again and everybody involved in the project. So yeah, I can't answer for somebody else, but I don't necessarily agree with everything that he said.
Right. Also, I wanted to know that after the failure of Jagga Jasoos we'll see you in that biopic. Is it a relief to work with a director like let me ask?
I think we
to
should
come
not
with a director like Rajkumar Hirani, who's hit proof. Who's flop proof, sorry. Or is it a pressure to actually be in the biopic after a flop?
Well, it's a mix of both. Pressure ki I hope that I don't break the cheeks. No, but to be honest, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, not because of his, the ratio of hits that he has. He's one of the finest filmmakers, the finest storytellers in the country. And because I've had the now opportunity to work with him, he works really hard on his scripts. He works really hard, very passionately. And there is no substitute to that. Having said that, there is no formula to success. Anurag Basu and me worked on a film called Barfi before Jagga Jasoos, which was quite successful. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you work with this person, then you're guaranteed success. If you work with this person, पता नहीं क्या होगा. Films is something which nobody has cracked the formula to. But I'm just happy that I'm working with such amazing people. And I can do such amazing parts.
Just for record, I want to tell you that I came back from US and I went and I saw Jagga Jasoos on a big screen. I spent 3.5 hours watching that film. And I think there are some moments at that film that are absolutely excellent. I want to put it on record.
Completely agree.
And also I want to clarify to you, he's not flop-proof. Nobody's flop-proof. We are not flop-proof. It's an absurd thing to say everybody's striving. Sometimes when you strive, it kind of falls into place. Sometimes you strive and it doesn't fall into place. And it's okay. Both ways it's okay, as long as you strive. And I've seen the kind of striving in Jagga Jasoos, and I am here, I'll tell you why I'm here. Because I saw Mary Com. Sanjay Bhansali's worked with me for many years. I called and I said, damn good film. And he said, sir, aapne to meri kisi film ko nahi bola hai. This guy had directed that film. That's why I'm here. When Sanju came to me, I said, who's directing? You said, this guy. I said, you must do this. So we are all striving, sweetheart. We may fail, we may succeed. Please don't judge us by that. Judge us by what Jagga Jasoos is. Excellent. I want to say that here. Sorry, it's a Bhumi day, but I just have to tell you this. Like this trailer is excellent, Jagga Jasoos
Last two questions. Please,
Sanju
let's
Dada.
stick to questions regarding Bhumi. Please.
Yeah, please. Yeah, I was going to say.
Sanju Dada, Deepali here from TV9
और
Marathi.
इन लोगों ने इतनी बात की है बायोपिक की, इन दोनों को तो मैं बाद में देख लूंगा. बहुत हो गया.
Sanju Dada, Deepali here from TV9 Marathi. Sanju Dada here. Sanju Dada towards your left. Hi, Deepali here from TV9 Marathi. जसं रणवीरचे ट्रेनिंग आणि त्याचे लुक्स पाहिले आपण तुमच्या बायोपिकसाठी, तर तुम्ही स्वतःला रणवीरच्या ह्याच्यात बघू शकताय का? तुम्ही स्वतः ॲज अ संजय दत्त म्हणून रणवीरने तेवढा न्याय दिलाय तुमच्या कॅरेक्टरला, असं वाटतंय का तुम्हाला?
I don't know how to say it in Marathi, but I don't think this is a question that deals with Bhumi. Is it I think it's dealing with Bhumi? So let's stick to Bhumi. Can you ask me ask him something about Bhumi, please?
We understood
I understand
that.
Marathi very well. So this, उद्या सकाळला 9:15 वाजता shooting चालू आहे. Okay.
I have a question for Umang sir.
Last question.
Yeah.
Hi,
Umang sir.
hi.
Umang sir? Oh, really? Okay.